None.
This is so cool. I've never been this far up on the strip.
Come on. Green, green, green. Woo.
It looks like a roller coaster ride, except for it's not.
Wee. Wee. There's another train.
There's the Philly train going.
That's good timing for them. Wow. What if we went that way?
We would hit something.
This is pretty cool. Oh, you can't
It's like
see.
pretty cool, but at the same time it's kind of creepy. It's like we are so.
Here we go. This is really weird being in the front of it though.
It's so cool though.
Wow, look how we're going up on that thing. And there's the road. The highway. You can see our reflections. Whoa, it's so weird because it looks like we're like gonna run into that thing because we're up higher.
Brandon is just sitting there on his phone.